Here we are at Geneyaki in Lakewood, California. We've ordered death tacos and we're gonna burn our mouths, our throats, our stomachs, and our butts. This is a freak eating challenge. It's time to die. Yeah, I'm videoing it for you guys, but you basically have to sign a waiver here in order to eat the death taco.
What's the day?
So this is a death taco, habanero sauce?
Yeah.
My friend's husband.
What any thoughts? Yousef?
Whatever.
Then we got Ray here.
I'm scared a little bit. I'm not sure what to do.
I'm gonna let you guys take the first bite here.
Are we just eating it?
Yeah. You guys are special guest stars here. Just run for it.
I don't like cilantro. Whoa. These videos get it. The whole thing.
What any thoughts, Yousef? I haven't heard a word from you.
Tasty.
Tasty. It's not burning you?
A little bit.
Burning a little bit. I think both of them just have it in. I think we got some empty trays there. How do you feel, Yousef? It's starting to hit you now.
Yeah.
Hiccups?
Yep.
That's what I do. When something is super spicy, it makes me hiccup. No reaction over there. Your mouth is burning.
I'm gonna start crying.
And you're just hiccuping over here.
You have to endure the suffering.
It's up to you guys. If you guys want to drink, I mean, this isn't even a challenge here.
We're not allowed to drink.
You can do whatever you want. It's just a restaurant thing. It's just a really, really hot taco.
It is really hot. You're not supposed to drink.
It's not an official challenge. That's a zombie. There's no zombie taco anymore. I know, but they told us that there's no challenge anymore.
It's still burning pretty bad.
Well, that's not gonna help. That water ain't helping you. That soda ain't helping you. I'll tell you guys that. Your best bet is just to like stay calm.
Are my eyes watering?
Yes. Anything to say, Yousef?
My throat burns.
I'm not surprised.
It kind of burns.
Yeah.
I still hate cilantro.
That's the biggest thing you have to say about all this.
I'm crying.
You crying? Are you having any extreme reactions here? Watery eyes?
Watery eyes.
You about ready to make a Clear Eyes commercial?
Wow. It's clear eyes. It's painful. It hurts. It kind of hurts.
I think you guys are winners, though. I definitely think you guys are winners.
It's causing my out of body.
When stuff is that hot, you ain't kidding. You feel like you're not even in the room anymore.
What's supposed to happen to you?
What's that?
What else is supposed to happen to you? You're supposed to like see the future.
You could see into the future, or you might just take a huge dump tonight. It's one or the other.
It's causing tingling in my cheeks.
All right, should I stop filming you guys? All right, we're gonna close it out here. These guys won, or I don't know, survived, won, something. Survive the zombie apocalypse. Yeah. Yeah, there is. It doesn't.
My stomach feels like shit right now. And yeah.
For now.
Okay, let's do it.
So you are suffering actually. I'm
suffering here.
I can see it.
I'm in severe pain.
Stomach?
No, my mouth.
The mouth is, as I always say.
Swallow it quickly so it wouldn't be in my mouth.
The mouth is always least of your
stomach.
worries. You're hurting?
I'm hurting. Okay, let's turn it around.
All right, so here we go. Whoop. All right, so we have here is what? This is the death taco. What kind of meat is that anyway?
This is chicken. Go, all in one bite.
Well, these two men have already suffered through this. I'm going to see how I do on this.
All in one bite.
So here we go.
One bite.
Wow. That hurts. Holy crap.
He ate it all in one bite.
The hiccups have begun. I hope not.
You know what made you hiccup too?
It's genetic.
Is that a real hiccup?
That's a real hiccup.
It was like this. Are you in pain?
I regret nothing. Remember, kids, stay in school. Don't do drugs and eat like a freak.
I need to get comfortable.
Reaction shots. It's a very intense burn. It's a very intense burn. Yeah, it's a burn. It hurts. My mouth still hurts.
My back is tingling.
Yeah? My lips hurt.
My stomach hurts.
I'm not there yet. I'm not there at the stomach yet, but it's pretty bad. Actually, I have to say now, looking back, the sauce is actually sweet.
Oh, it's very sweet.
The sweet habanero sauce. It's definitely habanero. It's not ghost. It's not any hotter than habanero, but it's a very intense burn.
I feel a little better now.
Actually, I have to say that probably drinking was going to make this a lot worse.
Yeah.
Because really all liquid does is spread the capsaicin molecules around your mouth. No, I ate a dried ghost chili with Damon Wells once, and that was a lot worse than this. I think as far as the heat and flavor go, that's like an A-. That's some powerful, powerful crap.
It's tasty.
Tasty, I gotta give them that. It was tasty. Yeah, that was much more intense than I was actually even expecting. So with that in mind, that was just the death taco. They do the zombie taco, which is supposed to be like from here. I can't even imagine how bad that is.
So this can't be that bad.
I'm actually, you got what was that, Furious Chicken?
I'm afraid though, because I don't really want to add anything hot to what I just.
This is kamikaze level.
That's their hottest normal.
The hottest.
Normal food.
Hottest flavor. How hot is it?
It feels very mild compared to the habanero.
Yeah, I think pretty much anything is going to be mild next to what we just ate, which has like warnings all over the restaurant walls here. They even made us sign a waiver. I got film of the waiver earlier. I think the worst is over for me. How are you feeling?
I'm fine.
They don't have
ready
a
to
zombie
eat.
taco though. I bet that you have to come back and try that.
Holy crap! If they ever get that sauce, I think we're gonna stop filming.
No. You're still in.
I think we're gonna close this one out. You just witnessed the zombie taco. You just witnessed the death taco challenge. Be sure to click thumbs up if you enjoyed watching 3 brave men hurt themselves. Until next time, stay in school, don't do drugs, stay like a freak. Be sure to subscribe to Freak Eating.